What do you think of, the current state of mathematics?
It's a flourishing enterprise. There are aspects about our community that you and I have discussed that really need to evolve. One is the view of mathematics and its uses, not just mathematics as you and I have largely practiced it,
Right.
but increasingly as it will be used by people outside the field, and how the mathematics community responds to that and relates to that. Not applied mathematics in the way that it used to be thought of, beautiful mathematics, but generally it was mathematics that was not being, at that time, applied in specific problems coming from outside mathematics. The continuing, and I would say probably it should be increasing, really, interaction of the mathematics community with other sciences, social sciences, engineers, the people who increasingly need mathematical tools and quantitative abilities and data and models in their work. The interaction of our community with these people in a different way almost, that it's demand driven. That is, we respond to problems that others may think have a mathematical aspect to them, but they're not sure, and they come to us. And frequently they're interesting mathematical problems, as you know, come to us for help, rather than the traditional way, which I think has to some extent been that there's some very interesting mathematics we think might be useful here or there. So it's, and as you and I have discussed, this needs to be not just something that the mathematics community responds to, but also the engineers and the medical people and so on need themselves to have opportunities to interface with the math community so they know what's out there that might be of use to them.